is an absolutely gorgeous Sunday out today. Alexa, what's the weather?
72 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies.
Gorgeous.
Today, you can expect clouds with a chance of showers, with a high of 77 degrees and a low of 58 degrees.
Okay, so it's gonna rain, but right now it's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see out the window the sunshine. But I'm stuck in laundry hell because once again, I have done the unspeakable and let all the laundry pile up. Every time I tell you guys this, when I'm doing a load a day, it's all fine and dandy and I get on a roll and I'm like, why do I not do this all the time? Because this is phenomenal. And then I fall off the wagon and I end up with laundry up the wazoo. So instead of being out on this gorgeously beautiful day, I'm folding laundry all day and cleaning up my house because I'm sure you just saw a little sneak peek of the mess. That's what I get for being a procrastinator. Eric is off at work. He got called in first thing this morning at 8:30. It's 12 now, and he has been going to job after job, so I don't know when I'm going to see him. So he's working, and now I'm working. Bad Jesse. Just do the laundry every day. It's not that hard. But I always fail. So how do you guys fold your towels? I am a member of a Facebook group for cleaning and laundry and things, because I'm a freak, but apparently it's a big thing, like how you fold towels. I used to be, I get it, because I used to be pretty anal retentive about how towels were folded. I fold mine in half long ways and then in half again, and then I fold that little thing into thirds so that it makes this little shape here. That's how I fold my towels. Robbie folds towels completely differently. I think he started doing it just to irritate me because when he would fold towels, I would say, no, that's not how you do it. You have to do it a different way. And I would unfold everything he did, and then I would show him how I do it. And for a long time, I wouldn't even let him fold towels because he did it differently than me. And then one day I had this epiphany, like, hello, whether he's folding them the same way that I do or not, they're getting folded and I'm not having to do it. So his plan kind of backfired, and now I let him fold towels, but apparently there's some people who fold towels differently than me. I think this is the right way. But, you know, I've gotten over that whole anal thing where they have to be this way. When I fold them this way, but, you know, if somebody else folds them a different way, I don't care as long as they're getting folded. I've come a long way with that. But what about you guys? How do you fold towels? Are you anal about how the towels have to be folded and stacked? I have lots of different kinds of towels. Not all my towels match, so they don't always line up perfectly, and that's okay too. That doesn't bother me either. I'm not super organized like that. OCD, I don't like using that, but you know what I mean. It doesn't matter to me. But some people, I guess, are like ultra organized and like everything to line up perfectly and fit perfectly, and that's just not who I am. But I want to hear from you guys. Are you guys super organized laundry people? Do you do laundry every single day? Do you sort your clothes? I don't sort my clothes either, you guys. I throw everything together all at once. I will do a load of whites if it needs to be bleached, but you can bet that sometimes my jeans and my t-shirts and my socks are all getting washed in one load. But I want to hear from you guys. What is your laundry routine? Are you anal about how towels get folded? Is there anything that you absolutely hate folding, like fitted sheets? I can fold a fitted sheet. Apparently that's another phenomenon in the laundry world. Some people just can't do it, and they think the people that can do it are witches. That was a topic of conversation in that group at one point. But yeah, let me hear about your laundry quirks. I'd like to hear from you in the comments section below. So I'm just sitting down to work on the thumbnail for the last couple of vlogs that I'm getting uploaded, and it reminded me that I wanted to talk to you guys about the upload schedule. So in one of my previous vlogs, I had mentioned that some days are boring, some days there's not going to be a lot of footage, and I asked if you guys wanted me to skip those days or combine days or what you wanted to do in terms of vlogs. Most of you said, do whatever you want, we'll watch whatever, which is awesome. Thank you. Some of you guys voted for doing weekly vlogs, which I've done in the past, and that's where I combine a bunch of different days of footage, and it's like just once a week I post. That's a lot of work. When I was doing that, the editing process would take hours, and it's not my favorite way of doing vlogs, but I might do that in the future. But I wanted to tell you guys that starting next week, I don't know exactly, I have to look at the calendar. Eric has a week off of work coming up. It's a vacation, some vacation time that he's going to take, and we are going to spend part of the time that he's off of work up north at our camper and the other part here at home. We're kind of going to bounce back and forth. We have a few different events and things lined up. And so there's going to be days at a time where I am without internet access, because when we are at the camper, we have no internet there. And so at least for that week, there may be some days here in real time that you guys don't see vlogs, because I'm going to be there 4 days and then home 2 days and then back there for another 3 or 4 days. So I'm gonna try to get things lined up so that I don't miss a day of uploading, but if there's a day here or there where there's not a vlog, it's just because I don't have internet access, and I'm just like a couple of days behind with the vlogs. So you know, I'm gonna try to do some other videos. I know I've been like cranking out the vlogs and you guys haven't seen a lot of other footage from me. Like, you've seen grocery hauls and vlogs, and that's pretty much it. So I definitely owe you guys some cleaning videos and some other style videos, maybe a get ready with me. So I might try to intersperse some of those videos in, but there may be a day or two where you guys don't see a video. I will be vlogging the entire time that we are away at the camper, but when we're away at the camper, I don't tend to pick up the camera as much when I'm busy with my family. You guys can probably tell on the days when it's just a weekday and Eric's at work and the kids are off doing their own thing and it's just me on my own, I vlog a lot more because I need somebody to talk to, and I like to talk to you guys. But when I'm with my family, obviously I already have someone to talk to. Does that make sense? And you know, we're doing other things and it's not always like my first priority to whip out the camera. So there may be some days when I'm at the camper or when we're doing our Eric's vacation time where I combine a couple of days, or there may be a day here or there where I don't pick up the camera at all. So I'm not sure exactly what those vlogs are going to look like. If you're going to continue to see a day-to-day vlog, or if you'll see a couple of days combined, or what's going to happen. So if the uploading is a little bit wonky over the next... It's starting next week, so it's not coming right up, but sometime in the near future, if you notice that I skipped a day, or if there's a bunch of days combined or whatever, that's why. And of course, I'll talk you guys through it as it happens. But I just wanted to say thank you for all of your feedback on the question I had about what you guys wanted to see in terms of vlogs. I really appreciate that you guys took the time to comment. I hear ya, and I'm just gonna kind of go with what feels right. I'm not gonna put too much thought or stress into it, because if it's stressful, then I'm not gonna do it, and that's the last thing that I want, is to quit halfway through. So I'm really enjoying sharing our summer with you guys, though. We lead pretty boring lives. You guys have probably figured that out, but a lot of you have said that you enjoy watching the boring days when we're doing nothing, so I'm just gonna keep sharing as long as you guys keep watching. The view count has not been the highest ever. Obviously, when I post a cleaning video or a cooking video or something, the view count is much, much, much higher. There's a small group of my subscribers that seem to really like the day-to-day vlogs. But you guys know I'm not in it for the numbers. I'm gonna post what I'm enjoying posting, what I'm having fun with, and right now that's vlogging. And I really appreciate all of you guys' comments and the thumbs up that you leave on the video, so that I know that you guys are liking it too. Alright guys, so it took me all day, but I finished up all of the laundry. I just gotta get my kiddos to put this all away. There might be one load left, but I'm out of laundry soap, so I'm definitely done for the day. But tons and tons of laundry got completed today. Tons of video game playing happened too. It is 8 o'clock at night. We had cereal for dinner. It was a very low-key kind of day. Eric has been working since 11 o'clock this morning. Like I said, it's 8 o'clock now. He has gotten call after call after call. We've been trying to hold off and wait on him so that we could watch the Jurassic World movie that we bought at Walmart yesterday as a family. We might just go ahead and watch it without him, because I don't have any idea when he's going to be home. So I think that's probably what we'll do. But first I gotta get the kiddos to put all these clothes away. Alright guys, I have not been able to get in touch with Eric, so we're just gonna go ahead and watch the movie without him. I'm sure he won't mind. So we're gonna put the movie in, we got our candy, and we're gonna have a movie night before it's time for the kids to go to bed because it's getting late. Alright, you guys, so it is 11 o'clock. My poor husband still is not home. He has now been gone for more than 12 hours. And I just spoke to him and he doesn't have any idea when he's gonna be home. So, it's been a very, very busy weekend for him. I feel really bad that he's had to work so much, but it is what it is. Anyways, I wanted to come on here and say goodnight. I'm gonna go and try to sleep. I really don't sleep well when he's not here, but hopefully he'll be home soon. Anyways, thanks for watching today, guys. Sorry that the majority of this vlog was me talking about laundry. It's just kind of what I did today, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.